This is a food even smellier than canned herring. Most people would vomit just by sniffing it, yet some people adore it so much. They usually save it for guests, rather than enjoying it themselves. When a young lady tried it, her reaction was genuine. And this food is none other than blue cheese. This Italian factory still employs ancient methods, preferring manual labor wherever possible. Fresh milk is delivered to the factory every morning. The first step is to add rennet and mold to the milk, and within about 20 minutes, the milk transforms into curd, resembling a massive tofu pudding. Using specially designed tools, workers cut it into pieces, which are then placed into circular molds. Each one is numbered, serving as its identification. Next, the molds are stored in a warm, humid room, and are flipped 4 times daily to assist the curds in settling. After resting for a night, the cheese begins to take shape and is seasoned. Machines evenly spread a layer of salt on the surface, after which it's returned to the storage room. The warm, humid storage room aids the mold's activity in the cheese. Quality inspectors conduct random fermentation checks, and after approximately 3 days, the cheese must be transferred to the refrigeration room. Here, each piece of cheese is pierced with skewers to let oxygen in, fostering the signature blue veins. Time is critical in crafting this delicacy. Depending on the desired texture, the cheese matures in the cooler for 2 to 3 months, until the surface becomes moldy and stinky. Inspectors use a cheese sampler to extract some cheese from the inside, using the aroma and taste to judge whether it has fermented properly. A 2-month-old blue cheese is still quite soft and smells like socks unwashed for 3 days, generally more acceptable to most people. In contrast, 3-month-old cheese hardens and displays prominent blue veins, with an authentic stinky taste that the reporter could not resist trying. Mature blue cheese is an indispensable delicacy in upscale restaurants. It adds a powerfully stinky punch to any dish.